Deli has deeply cultivated an office industry for more than 20 years, now becoming the advocator and leader of overall solutions for multiple working scenes. Deli has accumulated abundant technical resources. Therefore, since from 2015, Deli engaged to research and develop the laser and inkjet printers, investing a huge amount of funds to develop and launch the Chinese brand printers by mastering the core technology. Deli is the only one company mastering both laser and inkjet printer technology, developing, researching, and manufacturing laser and inkjet printer in China. In the inkjet printer area, Deli has explored for more than 5 years and finally able to develop own inkjet printing head, which can lay out 1200 micron black nozzles within 1 inch length and 1800 colorful nozzles in 3 lines within 0.5 inches to realize the high precision printing. For the color, Deli did a lot of research and analyze in the beginning of the development. After analyzing the color of pupils, we found that there's subtle difference of sensitivity in colors. In order to improve the sensory experience of customers, Deli did a lot of calibration tests and related parameters such as the viscosity of ink, surface tension, color aberration. To sincerely develop the printers of our own in every details, we developed the firmware of laser printers independently. However, the real technical challenge is the fit between the firmware and driver after their integration. It's the big challenge for the R&D and technical engineers, and requiring both time and patience. The fit between every components and software requires continuous tests and adjustments. We did nearly 100 schemes, printed over 10 millions of papers around the clock, which is enough to cover 100 football fields. Simplicity, trust, and concentration are our design concept as well as the style we've given to the products for this time. From the touching feeling to the vision, we kept it simple style to make the outlines more smooth and make sure every product got family design elements. From the molding injection to the product's assembly, we got strict process standards in every part. Advanced production management has been implemented into every manufacturing detail to promise the product's quality. We need to understand the products as well as know more about our customers. Deli printer matches internationalization and user information safety with adopting the strongest chip and international operating system, promoting the international digital printing safety construction. Meanwhile, Deli keeps thinking that how can we bring more convenience and benefits to our customers? Thus did innovating breakthrough in consumables and replacing the traditional filling ink with innovative straight blade cartridge to make the ink replacement easier and cleaner. Credit to the huge capacity of 10,000 pages straight blade cartridge. The more you print, the more you can save. In the mainstream field of laser printer, Deli Workout Super Capacity Toner Cartridge, which can ensure 10,000 pages printing. Deli, mastering the core technology of printer, printing your life innovation.